Sterling High School is expanding opportunities for students beyond graduation through magnet programs like automotive, aviation, welding, business, and law enforcement. Today, we're in the auto shop.
Pretty much they're learning hands-on. I like to call it entry-level automotive tech duties. I prepare them to whatever they're gonna be doing the first day on the job at the dealership. That's what I've trained them to do, which is oil changes, balancing tires, changing tires, basic repairs, brakes, suspension work.
And for students like Renato Navarro, automotive wasn't originally part of his plan.
Why did you get involved in a program like this?
Well, certainly I didn't get involved. I was placed in here. But then while I was placed in here, I fell in love with the way that things were, how we used to get to work on cars, how engines work, how the wiring system works, everything.
So you see the rubber part, that's when it's going to be able to come out easy.
Now he says the skills he's learning could take him far beyond high school.
I hope this takes me to like high manufacturers like Porsche, Mercedes, BMW. Like I want to work for like those high brand companies because I honestly love the cars, their designs.
I love that. So you definitely want to take the skills here and go
somewhere with them, yeah.
And he says what he's gained here goes beyond experience.
What are you going to miss the most about here?
I'm gonna miss the teachers. Because the teachers are super nice, super cool, very understanding, and they really explain well.
Renato, you got it?
Honestly, it was the best 4 years of my life.
Really?
Yeah, coming here, working with these people, and working on these cars, generally best time.